students. In previous video we have learned factor, multiples, even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, all these things we have learned. In this video we will learn some example related to the same. And in your book this 3.1 I am going to solve now. One question I will do and rest you will try to do yourself. Okay, in this one first question is write the first 6 multiple of 16. In this one first is 16, then B 7 and C is 9. So I am doing this one, right? First 6 multiple. Now these multiples I have written here. 16 multiplied by 1 is equal to 16. This is first multiple. 16 multiplied by 2 32, 16 multiplied by 3 48, 16 multiplied by 4 64, multiplied by 5 80, 16 multiplied by 6 is equal to 96. 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are 6 multiple of 16. Like this you may do rest questions also. Now question number 3. First is MCQ. Number 3. What is 3? 3 is write factors of. Question is write factors of. Now factors of, it is written here 33. First one I am doing here. Factor of 33. Now factor of 33 are, see, 33 is divisible by 1. First factor is always 1 of every number. After it is divisible by 3 also. Yes, 3 is also there. Then it is divisible by 11. Yes, 11 also there. And now it is divisible by 33. So 1, 3, 11 and 13 are the factor of 33. So like this we will find. Means by which number it is divisible, the same number, and all number less than this we will write. This is greatest factor, this is smallest factor of the 33. Okay. Next question is 4. Find common factor of. As we have learned in previous videos how to find common factor. Common factor. Common factor. How to find common factor? For common, as I told you, minimum 2 number we should have. Here question number A is 48 and 50. Now common factor we have to find. So first find factor of 48 I will write here, and factor of 50 I will write here. All factor I will try to write. Factor of 48 are, first factor is 1, second factor is 2, it is divisible by 3 also, by 4 also, by 5. 5 it is not there. It is divisible by 6 also, then 7. See, easy way to find this one, just writing here, see, 48. 48 is equal to 1 multiplied by 48 is equal to 48, right? Second, 2 multiplied by 24 is equal to 48. Next, 3 multiplied by 16 also equal to 48. One by one I am taking all factor. Now 4 multiplied by, it is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja, multiply by 12 is equal to 48. Not divisible by 5. 6 multiplied by 8 is also equal to 48. Now 7 8. Now see, again 8 came na. So 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 18. These are the factor of this. Factor of 48. So I am writing here all factor. 6 here written, 8 12 16, like this you will see, like this. Okay, 16 24 and 16 24 and 48. These are the factor of 48, all factors. Similarly for 50 also we will find, right? So factor of 50 are, here I am doing 1 multiplied by 50 is equal to 50. Second, 2 multiplied by 25 is equal to 50. then not divisible by 3, by 4. Now 5. 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. 5 tens are 50. And now 10 multiplied by 5. After 5, 10 is there. So 10 5 10 is already written. After 10, 20 is not there. Then 25. 25 I will write. 25 multiplied by 2 is equal to 50. But this one already we have written. Means these are the factor of 50. So factor of 50 are, I will write here, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 15. 10, 25 and 50. These are the factor of 50. Now common factor. Common factors. How to find common factor? See now carefully. This 1 is common. Right here 1. 2 common. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and nothing is common now. It means these are the common factor. Right? Like this we have to solve. Okay. This was the question number 4 of the same. So now next question is find first three common multiple. Okay, so I am taking new page and the question is find first three common multiple, and common means minimum 2 number we should have. Question number 5 is first three common multiple. Right? Now first three common multiple of, in this one first thing given, a 4 and 7. Right? Common multiple we have to find, and first three. So first we will find first common multiple, and the first common multiple will be least common multiple. First is always least, so that is least common multiple, LCM, right? And the LCM of 4 and 7 is 4 7 ja 28, that is 28 only, right? First common multiple is 20. We have to find here first three common multiple. So first common multiple is 28, right? Second common multiple will be 28 multiplied by 2, that will 56, and the third will be equal to 28 multiplied by 3, that will be 28 3 is a 84. So this is first, this is second, and this is third. These are the three common multiples. So like this we have to find. Now in next question it is given, write all common multiple. Question number 6 I am writing. Write all common multiple of 3 and 5 from 1 to 100. Right? From 1 to 100 we have to find all common multiple of 3 and 5. So now for finding all multiple, first of all we will have to find least common multiple, and that is LCM. So LCM of 3 and 5 is, LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. 3 5s are 15. LCM is 15. So we have to find all common multiple between 1 and 100. Right? So first will be 15 common multiple between 1 and 100. How to find this? See, first one is 15. Second one will be 15 2 ja 30. Third will be 15 3 जा 45, 15 4 जा 60, 15 5 जा 75, 15 6 जा 90, and 15 7 ja 105. But 105 will be greater than 100, and we want between 1 and 100. So these all are the common multiple of 3 and 5 between 1 and 100. This is your answer. Okay, like this we have to solve. In this one, last question, match the column. In match the column, you will try to solve multiple of 3, factor of 16, multiple of itself, common multiple. So you will try yourself, so that there will be you should do practice for the same. Now see, this is your last question I have written here. Question is match the column, right? In this one, first question is factor of 3 is factor of 3, sorry, not factor, multiple of 3. Now multiple of 3 is, out of these, see, this is one only there, that is the multiple of 3. It means this will be matched to this one, right? Next one is factor of 16. Factor means a number which will divide it completely with 0 remainder, and this is coming in number 4. So this means this will be match. The third one is multiple of itself. Which number is a multiple of itself? That is one only, 1 1 ja 1. So we will take here 1, match this one here, right? Next is common multiple of 7 and 5. Common multiple just before we have done here also. So 7 5 is 35. This is first common multiple. So this is common multiple. And now common factor, factor of 15 and 5. See, factor of 15 are 1, 3 and 5. Similarly, factor of 5 are, that is 1 and 5. So what is common in this one? 1 is common and 5 common. So here 5 and 1, this will come. It means this will match to this one, right? Like this we have to solve. Now we will take next exercise 3.2, and from the same we will do one question from each question. Question number 1 of MCQ of 3.2, that is given MCQ, and the question number 2 we will start here. One you will do yourself, that is MCQ, and second one is, I'm just reading question. You have this book, so you may see in your. Find the sum of smallest and the largest prime number from 1 to 100, right? Sum of smallest and largest prime number, and the condition is between 1 to 100, right? Now smallest prime number is, smallest one is, smallest prime number is 2 between 1 to 100, and the greatest prime number is, that is 97, right? 97. So according to question, their sum 7 plus 2 equal 9 and 9. So the sum of greatest and smallest prime number between 1 to 100 is 99, right? Number 3 is write 5 pair of twin prime. In this one, twin prime na asking na. So first we will understand what are twin prime and what are prime triplet. Prime triplets. Now first of all, see what is twin prime. Listen carefully. Twin prime are the set of two number with difference 2, or twin prime are consecutive prime number with the difference 2. Set of two number or two consecutive prime number. Like one example I am taking, 2 and 5. 2 and 5, this is prime number, right? This is also a prime number, and the difference between them is, when we will subtract 5 minus 2 equal 3. But according to twin prime, the difference should be 2 only. So this is not twin prime. Another example I am taking, that is 3. This is not twin prime, right? Another 3 and 5, these are also both of prime. Now difference between them is 2. Yes, this is twin prime, right? One more example, 5 and 7. The difference between them is 2 and they both are prime. It means they are twin prime. Similarly, second one is prime triplets. Prime triplet is a set of numbers, set of 3 numbers with difference 2. Same, set of 3 number with difference 2. These are called prime triplets. And prime triplets are 3, 5, 7. See, 3, 5, 7. These 3 number I have written here. The difference of between 2 is 2 only, and between these is also 2 only. Difference is 2, difference is 2. So these 3 numbers are called prime triplet. So such type of number are called prime triplet. With reference to 3 numbers are there, and with reference to 2 numbers are there, called twin prime, right? So now we will do here question number 3, and as question number 3 says, write 5 pair of twin prime. 5 pair of twin prime. And the 5 pair of twin prime are, you may write now the difference, whose difference is 2. One pair I have already written here, 3 and 5. First pair done. Second pair you may take 5 and 7. Third pair you may take 11 and 13. Next pair you may take 17 and 19. See, these all are prime number. And the last pair you may take 29 and 31. The difference between them is 2, right? So these are twin prime. Next question, is every pair of co-prime number is a twin prime? Is it or not? See all prime number up to 1 to 100 and find yourself. Try to find this at home. Next question is number 6, all the odd number, not number 6, number 5, sorry. Number 5 is write all the composite number up to 100 having 6 at their unit place. This is also you should do. I'm telling how to do this one. Number 5 I am doing here. Write all the composite number up to 100 having 6 at their unit place, right? Unit place, you know, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Unit place means first digit should be 6 from right hand side. First digit should be 6. So now some numbers I am writing. First number I am taking 6. See here, unit place is 6 only. Next number 16. Unit place is 6. Next is 26. Unit place 6. Next 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96. Except this, if there is any other number also, find and do the same, right? It means you may write the numbers having 6 at one's place, all composite number, and these should be composite also. Don't take any prime number. Okay. Next question number 6 I will try to do here. Okay. 6 is, are all odd are prime number? Give example. No, all odd numbers are not prime. Why? 3 is prime number, that's okay. But all odd numbers are not prime. Why? See, this is a odd number 9. This is a odd number, that is 15. This is also a odd number 21. These are odd but not prime. Why? Because they are having factor more than 2. Like having 3 factor, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. Here 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1. Here 3 multiplied by 7, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 3 factors are there, and according to prime number exactly 2 factors should be there. It means these are not prime number but they are even number, right? Next question is express seventh one. Express 72 as sum of two odd prime, as sum of two odd prime, means odd होना चाहिए और prime भी होना चाहिए. You can find from all prime numbers. See, for example, I am taking one number, I am taking 31 and 141. This is the pair whose sum, now their sum is 4 plus 3, 72. Is it equal to 72? Yes, this is the pair of odd prime number which is equal to 72. Their sum is equal to 72. Done. Eighth one. Express 37 and 49 as a sum of three prime number. One I am doing here, 37 as a sum of three prime number. Find three prime number in such a way that their sum is equal to 37. See, first prime number I am taking 7. 7 is a prime number. Next one 13. This is also a prime number. And next one 17. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 7, 17. And 1 plus 2 plus 1, 3. This is equal to 37. It means these are the prime number whose sum is 37. Right? Question number 9. And it should be last. And next one is the match the following. You may try yourself. 9 is write the 7 consecutive positive number less than 100. 7 consecutive positive number, right? 7 consecutive composite number. Composite numbers. And now 7 consecutive composite number. First composite number is, first one is 2 is prime, 3 is prime, so 4 is first one. So first we will take 4. After that 6. Continue we will take, na? Consecutive means continue. Then 8, leave 9, this is odd number. 10, this should be 7 even consecutive, 7 consecutive composite number. Composite होने चाहिए और continue भी. So you may take 4, 5 is prime, 6, 7 is prime, 8, 9 is not prime, na? So 9 also you may take. Then 10 is also composite, 11 is prime, 12, then 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 done. These all are 7 consecutive composite numbers, right? So like this we will solve. This is your 3.1 and 3.2 complete. Okay, and prime number and prime triplet also done. Now in 3.3, here some questions are there related to the multiple and factor. Okay, so try to do yourself, otherwise in next video I will solve this one also. If you are new here, subscribe it and share with your friends so that they can also understand, and watch it at least 2 times for better understanding. Thank you.